What's going on, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ, and thank you for taking time out of your day to watch another one of my videos. I'm gonna make this one very quick, I promise you. It's just an update, and it's on colors. I wanted to let you guys know that when you're ordering, of course, most popular is like black, red, orange, stuff like that. But some of you do order blue, and I wanted to let you know that I am discontinuing the dark blue for now, at least until I can find a reliable source for that particular pigment. Because just like, example here, two same mounts, dark blue, light blue, this is the blue that's going to be offered now. And I'm sorry if you're looking for more of a darker type right now, but there's nothing wrong with this other than, for whatever reason, on every single manufacturer that I offer the dark blue in, and it's only this color, I'm getting some wonky layer lines and discoloration throughout the roll. It's just not consistent. So I want everything to be as close to perfect as possible. And that's why the light blue, whenever you see blue, I'm going to end up taking the light and the dark and all that stuff off of it. So when it says blue, it's going to be this blue, guys, not this one. So just a quick little announcement there. I'm trying to get a lot of stock printed up and ready to go, so shipping's even faster than it is now, which pretty fast right now. But just a quick little announcement. Blue is going to be this. It's not going to be this. Not right now. If I make a change later, I will let you guys know. But blue. This is blue. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching, guys. All my mounts and accessories for the Sea-Doos, the Jeeps, the four-wheelers, and everything are in the link in the description. Check it out. We'll talk to you next time.